Today's grammar lesson is short and sweet. This is about double comparisons with modifiers. So the rule is that you should not make a double comparison by using both an ER or EST ending and the word more or most. So for example, the wind is more sharper today than yesterday. We don't do that. That's a no-no. Instead, you would say, the wind is sharper today than yesterday. Additionally, Kiki runs more faster than I is incorrect. It would be Kiki runs faster than I. So what does this look like for your assignment? Your directions, you'll have the reminder, right? So it's a couple incorrect sentences and then the correction. And then the instructions are to highlight the double comparison in each sentence. So pretty easy. You'll just go into your new attempt. And then in this case, the green paint is more bolder. And then you just move on to the next one and so on and so forth. So hopefully that makes sense and it's nice and easy for you to do.